How to build real self-confidence without faking it. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 strategies of how you can start building your self-confidence so you can show up for your personal brand and your business so you can run up the bag. Let's go.
Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello everybody, my name is Idayat and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple streams of income that brings money into my bank account consistently. One of my streams of income that a lot of people know me for is my global modest fashion called Cover Me Cutie. At Cover Me Cute, we create modest clothing that solve one problem. You go from I'm frustrated, I don't know what to wear, to have everything all in one so I don't have to think about it. My Cover Me Cutie is not for everybody. It's for the women that are busy, that are on their toes, that are running around with the children, and they don't have time to try to figure out what am I going to wear and what hijab matches it. They just want to grab and go and still look beautiful. Okay? But today I'm teaching you all how to build confidence without faking it. And here are 5 things that you can start doing today. Confidence comes from kept promises. You need to keep promise to yourself. Now, a lot of times we create our own self-schedule. You say, you know what, tomorrow I'm going to make one video to talk about my brand. And then tomorrow comes, you're like, oh, I'm tired today. I'll make it tomorrow. You are the little confidence that you have, you're melting it away right now because you are not even trusting you. You as a person, you can't even trust you. In order to build that, you have to stay true to yourself. When you promise yourself to do something, you do it. The more you do it, the more that natural confidence kicks in. Number 2, small wins stack beliefs. The small things that you do, the small things that you check off, it's going to make you believe in yourself, because the problem is you're not believing in yourself enough. You believe in God, you believe in other people, you point into them. But when it comes to yourself, you're second guessing yourself. That is why you're having problems, like struggling, showing up. But when you create like a checklist of 3 things I need to do tomorrow, and that tomorrow you're checking it off one after the other, and you're like, okay, I did this today. And when you say tomorrow, I'm going to walk inside the house for 30 minutes, and you turn on that YouTube channel and you do your Grow with Joe and you walk that 30 minutes, and like, okay, I got this done. The more you do things that you say you're going to do, the more your confidence is going to increase, right? Preparation builds certainty. A lot of people will want to wing things like, okay, it's me. I know when the kids are gone, I can do whatever I want. But the problem with you can do whatever you want is the fact that you can do whatever you want. And 9 times out of 10, we don't want to create content. We don't want to talk about our business. We don't want to stay up at 11 p.m. creating YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. But there are things we have to do to get what we want. So if we stick to what we want and what we don't want, we're gonna end up not doing anything. But if you mentally prepare yourself that this is what I have to do, not necessarily what I want to do, you're going to get things done. Why confidence follows discipline. People don't like talking about this a lot, but even if you want to live that soft girl life, it's going to come with a lot of self-discipline, a lot of no's, a lot of boundaries, and a lot of doing things that are not comfortable for you so you can live a comfortable life, right? And then the last one is trusting yourself again. When you do all of this, you're naturally building trust for yourself, which is what you need to build your self-confidence. Showing up bit by bit every day is better than showing up once a month. The more you can tell yourself, I'm doing this, and you do it, naturally your confidence will start growing up. Confidence is built, y'all. It's not worn like an outfit. You build it with that 2 minutes, okay, I'm going to do this. 5 minutes, okay, I'm going to do it and I get it done. 1 hour, I'm going to do it and I get it done. Every day I'm doing it. That's how you build your self-confidence. And let me tell you something about building your personal self-confidence. You help people build confidence in you, because you cannot give what you don't have. When you think, why do people don't respect me, or why don't people don't appreciate me, or why, it's because they are the reflection of you. If you are exuding no self-confidence, people will not believe, because how can I believe in somebody that doesn't believe in themselves? Just think about it for a minute. If somebody wants to be your coach and they're stammering, not stammering because it's natural, but like trying to find their words, and they're like, you know what, if you like it, you can, but if you don't like it, let's talk about you're not going to want to sign up for that coach, because you're like, you girl, you don't know what you is doing. Exactly. People can see through you when you don't know what you're doing. But when you stay consistent to yourself, you are going to build up that momentum so that you show up every day, not because you did it once, but you did it bit by bit every single day. At this point, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you subscribed? Have you turned on your notification bell? You don't want to miss out the next video, because on this channel, we do 3 things. I teach you how to run up the bag from the comfort of your home as a busy mom like me. Number 2, I encourage you to be modest, and I make it super easy for you with my Cover Me Cutie modest fashion clothing brand. And if you don't know where that is, just go to covermecutie.com or check the link below. I'm going to put that down as well, right? And number 3, I'm a natural motivational speaker. So when you hear me speak, it's not going to be just out of experience, but it's out because I love motivating people, because I see what you don't see in yourself. I hope to see you in my next video. Oh yeah. Let's go. Salam.